So last time we got the QR code to, or excuse me, the device ID to actually display on the screen, and now we want to render it as a QR code. So to do that, we're going to use another module called React Native QR Code. And so what we're going to do is we're going to install this just like we did the other one with, come on, no, don't want to show us the console. All right, we'll just do it from here. And yarn add, and then the packet, or the module. And we'll have to reboot our terminal, our simulator after that. And we'll have to probably kill this too. And we'll go yarn. Okay, so that's there. So now to implement this, we have to import it, which we will do. And then usage looks pretty easy. We're just gonna have QR code. Oops, QR code. And we're just gonna paste it as is for right now, and we'll just paste it just like this. Device ID and set that as the value. Okay, and now we should be able to run yarn run iOS. I'll pause it because it's going to rebuild. You're not missing anything. I'm going to pause it until it rebuilds. And there we go. So our QR code opened just fine. And that's perfect. Now, what we kind of want to do is render it in the center. So we should probably make this a flex. And then align self. I think it's center. Let's see how that works out. Okay, that works out just fine there. Let's see how we, first of all, let's format this better. There we go. And then we're gonna change this to black. There we go. Now it looks like a good QR code. Now, if we want to style this center, I think what we have to do is then, if we do this flex 1, I think that should mess anything up. Nah, that doesn't mess anything up. And then we do flex direction row. And then I think we put another there we go. So now it's right there in the middle. Looks pretty good. So we should probably put a little explainer up here also. If we put here text, you are about to grant consent to another person. To grant consent to another person, please show them this code and allow them to scan it with their scan and consent. And then we're just going to write, please note, no personal information is stored, is given, and you grant consent only the ID of this device. Okay, so that kind of blew us out of proportion there. Let's see. I think what we had to do is this, I think. No. That's perfect there. So, okay, so this is row. And then if we do the line itself, what happened when we put it here? Okay, and if we put okay, we're getting closer, column. Okay, we're getting closer. So then I think what we have to do is then add this. I'm confusing myself now. Okay, put that in. And then that. Oh, we're getting closer. Okay. I think we need actually then one more of these. Let me pause this real quick. I'll take a look at it. All right, sorry about that. My Flexbox skills aren't the strongest, and I think there's a better way to do it. Actually, looking at the styles that they used. However, line items justify content. However, I do have it nice and pretty now, and you can go back and forth. So now we have our QR code. So in the next episode, we'll work on creating the actual reader for the QR code.